Hello YouTube, this will be a rant video, so if you don't want to hear me complain, you can turn it off right now. This is possibly how close you ever will gonna get to the canvas V gauge. I was gonna put my can gauge micro on Indiegogo, and it was my impression that you can crowdfund from 200 countries as long as PayPal is supported in your country, which it is obviously, otherwise I wouldn't be able to sell over Tindy. But now Indiegogo forces me to open a company in America, in the States, spend $500 and start my campaign then, and if it fails, I'm wasted $500, and who knows how much it's gonna cost to close that company, and only because I cannot get paid otherwise. I mean, every country except Kickstarter and Indiegogo, it seems, don't accept PayPal, but yet I am able to contribute to a campaign, so I can pay money, but I cannot receive money. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I cannot keep bringing out products, spending thousands of dollars, and then selling one or two of them, and just I can't do it no more. I cannot do it no more. So it seems, and of course Indiegogo, it's been almost 24 hours now that I wrote them a mail, sent them a message, but they just reply with automatic messages and tell me to read the frequently asked questions, as I'm not able to read, they think, or somehow like that. I did read everything, and all you have to do is, apparently there's like maybe 20 countries supported who can open a campaign or start a campaign, and all others are forced to open a company in the United States. What I'm gonna do with the company? I have PayPal, I have a bank account, I have an IBAN number. It is I could have money transferred to my bank account without any problems, but yet Indiegogo forces me to open a company in the United States. What I'm gonna do with a company in the United States? Just to get paid? I'm not worried about taxes. I pay taxes here, or take out the taxes in the United States. I don't care about taxes. I'm willing to pay taxes. I'm not a big company like Apple, who has all the companies in the other countries just so they can avoid taxes, or Mercedes-Benz, or whatever the big companies can all do, and nothing happens to them. But the small person who wants to crowdfund something because he doesn't have enough money or any investors, and yet he has to open a company and pay taxes. Like I said, I'm not against paying taxes. I pay taxes here. I pay taxes in Turkey. I have paid taxes in Germany. I paid health insurance in Germany. I paid, what's it called in America, 401k in Germany, and I get nothing for it. And now I want to start a campaign, and I can't. So sorry if, of course, probably nobody gives a damn about my problems. I know, I've been told before. So if you're gonna write any stupid comments, just leave it. So anyhow, I don't know what's gonna happen. I cannot put any more money into my new products and then wait for them and hope that they get sold over Tindy or whatever, and I can't do it no more. So I don't know. I sent Indiegogo an email again, but I'm not expecting any miracle happening. So they take my money if I want to contribute. As I said, I'm good for that, but I'm not good enough to start a campaign. And I guess that's it. I don't know. I should just get a 9 to 5 job and don't worry about these things no more. I'm really sick of it. Believe me, I would make more money having a 9 to 5 jobs, coming home at 5 o'clock and put my feet on the table and don't do anything for the rest, instead of working 16 to 18 hours every day for nothing. Anyhow, if you made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'm sorry that I could not show you anything more than my V-gauge. That's probably never gonna happen unless I can get it funded, which I don't think it's gonna happen. Anyhow, thanks for watching and take care, everybody.